Vale of Denbigh Plum is a plum grown within the Vale of Clwyd and has certain specifics, sweetness levels which are very high, a size which is large, and is grown within the 13 parishes within the Vale of Clwyd. Well, the geography and geology of the Vale of Clwyd are very special and quite unique. The Vale of Clwyd is the only Grade A agricultural land within Wales and has been known as this for years as one of the market areas for Wales going back to the 17th century at least. The Clwydian range on the north side protects us from any north winds coming in, so you get quite a good warm climate, and the Snowdonia creates a rain shadow for us, so we don't have that higher rainfall. And underneath we have good underlying limestone and sandstones around, which give us good drainage and good quality land. As you can see, as I'm cutting them open, the Denbigh plum, as we reveal the inside, is a lot darker, which is a lot sweeter, and it's a lot more juice in it than the Victoria, which was next to it. Well, the Vale of Clwyd Denbigh Plum has created a subculture within the artists around here, and they all get on board and support it tremendously, and have produced all sorts of things to do with the Vale of Clwyd Denbigh Plum, including earrings, pottery, paintings, tapestries, collages. There's all sorts of things created, and we exhibit these, and they produce these ready for the Vale of Clwyd Denbigh Plum Festival in October as well. And it's really putting Denbigh on the map. When we started off, we didn't know how important the Denbigh plum was, and that's when we just hadn't realised it was specific to the Vale of Clwyd. And when we realised that, we'd heard about the GI status and PDO status, and so we decided it would be a good idea to go for that, and it might help establish it better in the Vale and get more acknowledgement and more protection for the trees and the fruit, and get people to have ownership of it. It's been great to achieve the GI status within and be welcomed into the family, the GI group for Wales. There are 17 different products now that gained that status in Wales, which is brilliant, showing the quality that we have here in Wales. And there's only 5 of us with the PDO status, so it's pretty special for us in the Vale, and we hold it in great esteem.